2014 to 2019 Corolla with a stuck seatbelt after a car accident. Seatbelt won't move at all. We're going to show you how to remove the seatbelt and change it. So just pull off this piece here. Next, we take off this screw. Alright, that's a 14 millimeter, and then this one is a 10 millimeter. It's tight on here. Seatbelt won't budge, so. Might as well take this one out. Alright, so now we pry this thing off here. Take that thing off. Take off a 14 there. For some reason, at the Toyota dealer, there's two different part numbers. But when I bought these off of eBay, it gave me the exact same one for both sides, which I looked at them and they're exactly the same. So, you know, but anyway, you don't have to always buy new ones. You can actually send the old one back to another factory and they'll just change this part here. That's the airbag sensor lock. After the airbag comes out, or there's an accident, the seatbelt locks. It's good for one-time use. Alright, there's the seatbelt there. Now we have to take off these here. This piece off. There's a little thing here. That's it. Now we just take this thing off here, and then this one thing comes off. Get that screw off. We just take it off here, and then this whole seat belt. Just we don't need that anymore. All right, here's the new one. Different color, but it matches the seats, so it's fine. The black seatbelt seems to always match. So we just this part here just goes in. All right, so there we go. Put that part in there. Again, this part with the little goes in. So we're going to tighten this thing up here. Alright, and then for some reason this thing seems to be not moving, but these seat belts, okay, they need to be exactly this. Otherwise they won't move. So you need to find it exactly. There it is. You make it exactly up and down 12 o'clock. Flush or even, and then it'll move. Now we're gonna tighten up these screws here. All right, so now we put this thing on here. This little clip. There's a little clip here. Make sure it goes into the slot, and then this little clip here, you need to pull out this little yellow piece. When you take it out, and then later when you push it back in here, then you push back down this yellow piece to lock it in place. Then we slide this piece through here, like so. Tighten it down there. And when that piece is in, then we this little thing here to cover up the bolt, and it aligns with the belt, not the bolt. There it is, clips in place. Put this thing back in. Make sure everything's tight. That's tight. And now we put this thing back on. And then we'll put these two screws back. Alright, so as soon as these screws are in place here, then you just slam this part here, and then you pull this rubber piece so it goes outside. Alright, and then figured out that the driver's side and passenger side, the only thing different about them is the notch. There's a little notch location that's a different place. So it's not entirely true that they're exactly the same, but you know, not a big deal. All right, so now that that's in, stuck it in, and we make sure these pieces are outside of the plastic. And next thing we do is just put this plastic trim piece back on. Back in here. Alright, and there you have it. That's how you replace the seatbelt assembly on the Corolla. Thanks for watching.